Uh, Good evening, candidates. I am now giving you a few questions that will be of relevance for SBI CBO entrance test and also for candidates appearing for IBPS RRB PO interviews and also IBPS PO interview. Now, a candidate has come, Sharat Kumar. I am requesting him to read on my behalf. Sharat Kumar, please read
Yes,
from
sir.
question number 11.
Question number 11. As per the MPC statement, Monetary Policy Committee statement on September 30th, 2022, RBI has decided to retain the statutory liquidity ratio, that is SLR, at -% of net demand and time liability.
The
NDTL.
answer for this is 18%, or in other words, choice B. 18% is the present SLR. It was so and it is continuing to be so. You know what is NDTL, Sharat Kumar?
Yes, sir. Net demand and time liability. It's a like fixed time deposits and demand deposits ratio, sir.
Very
I
good.
mean,
Not ratio.
uh,
Net demand and time
the,
liabilities means both
the
demand liability and demand liability put together.
yeah, yes, sir.
Now please read question number 12.
The Department of Financial Services, MOF, Ministry of Finance, have announced,
Correct.
have
Have
announced
announced.
revision of annual premium rates for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri, no, sir, Suraksha Bima Yojana schemes. As per the guidelines, the annual premium for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana increased from rupees 330 to rupees dash, and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana increased from rupees 12 to rupees dash.
This is the question. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and also Suraksha Bima Yojana revised premiums are, answer is D. That is JJBY, it is now 436 rupees. SBY, Suraksha Bima Yojana, it is now 20 rupees. Good. So, Sharat Kumar, read 13.
Yes, sir. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, has revised the definition of small companies under the Companies Act 2013. As per the revised definition, the threshold criteria for paid up capital and turnover for small companies has been increased to not exceeding dash and dash respectively.
This is the new question. This can be asked in SBI CBO and also in interviews for candidates who have studied commerce. The answer for this is 4 crore and 40 crore respectively. Please read it, filling this once again. Sharat Kumar, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has revised the definition of small companies under the Companies Act 2013. As per the revised definition, the threshold criteria for paid up capital and turnover for small companies has been increased to not exceeding 4 crores and 40 crore respectively.
Super. Definition of small company depends not only on the capital, but also on the turnover. That's what we have seen now. Very good. Now I think you can read this. Question number 14.
As per the revised guidelines, the government has announced changes in the commission or operational cost payable to banks in Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. The payments of administrative and operational cost payable to the banks have been revised to rupees dash per annum per enrollment under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and rupees dash per annum per enrollment under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Both the above costs payable to banks are inclusive of the annual commission payable to BCs or
banking correspondents.
Banking correspondents or agents, etc.
The answer for this is C, that is 11 and 1.50. Now read this with filling it up. Please read filling it up. As per the
Yes, sir. As per the revised guidelines, the government has announced changes in the commission or operational cost payable to banks in Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. The payments of administrative and operational cost payable to the banks have been revised to rupees 11 per annum per enrollment under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and rupees 1.5 per annum per enrollment under the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Both the above costs payable to the banks are inclusive of the annual commission payable to
banking correspondence.
banking correspondents or agents, etc.
Because for getting these policies and all, there may be agents or banking correspondents who will be canvassing for that. They also
Yes,
have to be paid some commission. That is also included in this one. Very good.
yes.
Now please read question number 15.
Under NRLM scheme. So what's this scheme?
I think we have to see what is that scheme. 1 minute. NRLM scheme, new scheme, NRLM scheme. It's a new thing for me also. National Rural Livelihood Mission. National Rural Livelihood Mission. This, are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir. I'm able to see.
Yeah, National Rural Livelihood Scheme. Would you like to read about that first few lines? Can you read this now?
Yes, sir.
National, yeah.
National Rural Livelihood Scheme, that is NRLM, is a poverty alleviation project implemented by the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. This plan is focused on promoting self-employment and the organization of rural poor. The idea behind this program is to organize the poor into SHG, that is self-help groups, and make them capable of self-employment. In 1999, after restructuring Integrated Rural Development Program, that is IRDP, the Ministry of Rural Development launched Swarna Jayanti Gramin Swarojgar Yojana to focus on promoting self-employment among the rural poor. SGSY.
That much is sufficient. Thank you. Now we will go to this one. Good. Told that nicely. I think we were reading, which one we were reading? Which one we were reading? This one.
CTID magazine.
No, CTDI magazine. This one, na? No, I was reading it with big, na? This one, correct. This is what we were reading. Now please read question number 15.
Yes.
Under NRLM scheme.
Under NRLM scheme, in order to facilitate use of loans for augmenting livelihoods of self-help group members, at least 50% of loans above rupees dash lakh, 75% loans above dash lakhs, and at least 85% of loans above dash lakhs should be used primarily for income generating productive purposes.
The answer for this is A. That is, fill it up properly and read. Under NRLM scheme.
Under National Rural Livelihood Mission scheme, in order to facilitate use of loans for augmenting livelihoods of self-help group members, at least 50% of loans above rupees 1 lakh, 75% of loans above rupees 4 lakh, and at least 85% of loans above rupees 6 lakh should be used primarily for income generating productive purposes.
Super. Good. Now please go to question number 16.
Question number 16. As per RBI guidelines, banks shall use the dash as the reference for arriving at the interest rates on FCNR B deposits.
FCNR bank. B means bank. FCNR B bank deposits. The responsibility is with the hands of the bank. Initially, when FCNR was introduced, the responsibility was taken care of by RBI, but now it has become bank's responsibility. The answer choice for that is A. Please read A.
Yes, sir. With the question, sir.
No, with the question. 1 minute, just now. Yeah, please read it. Overnight. Let's straight away read the answer.
Okay, sir. Overnight alternative reference rate for the respective currency or swap rates quoted or displayed by Financial Benchmarks India Private Limited.
Good. Doesn't matter. Now we'll go to 17.
Yes, sir. Under National Rural Livelihood Mission scheme, in case of self-help groups, the first dose of loan may be repaid in dash months in monthly or quarterly installments.
The answer is 24 to 36 months. Go to 18.
Under the integrated ombudsman scheme, the complaint is to be made to the ombudsman within 1 year after the complaint has received the reply from the bank, or where no reply is received within dash from the date of the complaint.
The answer is D, 1 year plus 30 days.
Yes.
Okay, continue. 19.
19. As per the Reserve Bank of India guidelines on digital lending, a borrower shall be given an explicit option to exit digital loan by paying the principal and the proportionate APR.
APR means what? I don't know. We have to see. India APR. APR means India.
Annual percentage rate. Annual percentage rate.
Oh, very good, very good. Good. Continue.
Where am I? Okay.
Question number 19.
19. As per the Reserve Bank of India guidelines on digital lending, a borrower shall be given an explicit option to exit digital loan by paying the principal and the proportionate annual percentage rate without any penalty during the cooling off or lockup period, which shall not be less than dash days for loans having tenure of 7 days or more than dash days for loans having tenure of less than 7 days.
The answer for this is A. That is, first place not be less than 3 days. The second place it is 1 day.
Yes.
Very good. Now 20.
Yes, in case of cash credit limit (CCL), banks have been advised to sanction a minimum loan of dash to each eligible self-help groups for a period of 3 years with a yearly drawing power.
I think the answer should be just a minute. 20. The answer is Bombay. Answer is Bombay means 6 lakh. The answer is given as 6 lakhs. Read it once again. In case of cash credit limit.
In case of cash credit limit (CCL), banks have been advised to sanction a minimum loan of 6 lakhs to each eligible self-help groups for a period of 3 years with a yearly drawing power.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sharat Kumar. Best wishes. Thanks for reading it. I'll be posting this after a few minutes in the YouTube. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.